I am talking to you. Do you take loan? Do you know that there is a credit score which is important for you? And if the credit score is low, you may end up not getting the loan. Do you know about CIBIL score? CIBIL. Why CIBIL score is important and how CIBIL score is calculated and what you should keep in mind regarding the CIBIL score. Let's deep dive into it. CIBIL score is a credit rating. It's your credit rating in the range of 300 to 900, which is decided based on the credit history you carry. What kind of loans you have taken previously, what kind of repayments you have done, have you defaulted? All of this decides the credit score. And based on this credit score, your capability to repay the loan is decided. And based on that, these financial institutions like banks, NBFC, in fact, many other lenders, they decide whether they will give you the loan or not based on the score, the CIBIL score. So therefore, next time if you take loan, be a little mindful and be aware that what is the CIBIL score is all about and how you should concern to maintain it at a higher levels. Let's get into understand how this CIBIL score is calculated. So there is a PCCL model which works for calculating the credit score by this financial institution. The P stands for payment history, which means that whatever loans you have taken previously, you have repaid everything well in time. You are not a defaulter. There have not been cases where you have not paid your loan or things are outstanding. Because if things are not paid on time, your credit score may be impacted. It may take you to go down the score, may impact your credit score. C is the credit utilization. What kind of credit utilization you have done? For example, if you have been sanctioned an X amount of loan, what kind of disbursement you have taken? A less utilization amount means that you are able to manage your credit well and it may help you maintain a better score. C is the credit mix, which means what kind of loans you have taken. The secured loans, unsecured loans, what is the composition of your loan history? And point number 4, L, which is what kind of inquiries, the loan inquiries you have done frequently with the banks. So remember, if you're seeking more loans every time and things are not getting to you, people are rejecting you, in that case, you may in fact impact your CIBIL score because more loan inquiries may result into you are being denied credit. So this PCCL framework decides how a CIBIL score for you is calculated in the range of 300 to 900. I would say anything above 750 is considered as good. So here are the 4 things you should always do to maintain your credit score better. Because if your credit score is better, it is more likely that you will get the loan. Point number 1, you should always pay your loan in time. Whether it is a lump sum loan you have taken, whether it is an EMI loan, you should always pay everything on time. There should not be default because the moment you default, it will impact your score. Point number 2, keep the credit utilization low, which means that take as much as you want. Don't over leverage and over borrow. The less is the utilization, the better your score is. Point number 3, maintain a healthy credit mix of secured loans and unsecured loans. Secured loans means where you get the loan by providing a collateral or a security to the bank. Unsecured loan is that where you don't provide any collateral and you are given the loan basis the credit scores and credit history. And point number 4, avoid making frequent loan inquiries. So these are the 4 things you should always keep in mind to maintain your credit score 750 and above. And if this score is maintained, there is high likely you will be provided the loan based on the credit history. If you like this video, then in that case, I would suggest do explore our other case studies on mutual funds and on disruptions in the Indian market. I am Abhishek. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, in that case, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.